Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your KOSS in your earbuds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, you need to turn off your earbuds. So in my case they are turned off because this indicator is not blinking. Then just click and hold this power button and wait until indicator starts blinking quickly, red and blue. There we go. Right now we can release, and on your Android device you have to go to this Bluetooth settings, select your earbuds from the list, accept the pairing, and as you can see we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.